In this video, I will show you how to change your account name on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to make sure is that your Monopoly Go is up to date. So if you come across to the Play Store or the iTunes Store, if you're using an iPhone, what you want to do is go ahead and search for Monopoly Go. Now, if it's not currently up to date, instead of saying play, it's going to say update, this blue button. So you want to update first of all, and then go ahead and open up Monopoly Go on your device. So once you've gone ahead and opened up Monopoly Go and logged into your account, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three lines to open up a menu. From here you can see my name at the moment is test4322. So what you want to do to change this is actually press onto your profile picture, and you're going to see a little pencil icon next to your name. So if you go ahead and press onto this, what you can do is go ahead and change your name from here, just like so, and then press the green submit button. Once you've done this, as you can see, it comes up with a confirmation saying you can change your name 2 times. Are you sure? And if you're sure you want to go ahead and keep that name, go ahead and press the green submit button, and then press the green save button to apply your changes. Now you can see my name has changed from the test4332 to Tech Tutor. So that's how to go ahead and change your account name on Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.